Hello children, today we will learn English alphabets. So let's start. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. 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 C for carrot. Carrot. C for carrot. D for drum. Drum. E for eagle. Eagle. F for fan. Fan. G for grapes. Grapes. H for hat. Hat. I for iron. Iron.